Hey guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. It is 3:30 right now and I just had a group of company leave again. I feel like it has been the craziest week. I'm trying to get caught up on messages. So today it's currently Wednesday and you guys are showing me so much love and I'm trying to answer every comment. If I didn't get to yours, just know I read it and I'm so thankful for you. You guys mean so much to me. I can totally feel the love, but like my company's been here and I want to try to get a Friday video up for you guys, so I'm trying to put that on the back burner for now. I was about to clean again and I thought, hey, why not? I never put up like a cleaning video on a Friday. This will probably be a lot shorter one just because I'm gonna focus in here where everybody was. So like my kitchen, my living room, and my dining room. I may even head out to my back porch because that's kind of a disaster. The girls have been here swimming. So let's get into today's video and I'll show you what the house looks like. Okay, before I give a quick little tour of the house of what I'll be cleaning, here's the disclaimer so we don't have tons of comments like last time. When family's here, I don't make them clean. So my mom's watching my nieces for my sister, and so I never want her to stay and clean. I love my nieces. I love Savannah. I don't mind picking up. She actually has my daughter too, so I'm not gonna make them stay and clean. She's entertaining them. I'm getting to clean my house and film a video for you guys, so it's like a win-win. So let me show you how the house looks. Okay, it's really not as bad as last time. There's more just a lot of trash and the floors are the big thing I want to focus on. I want to vacuum, I want to mop. I feel like we've had so many people in and out. Over here, like I said, it's just a lot of papers and ads. I need to fluff, but my main thing is vacuuming. There is something over here I need to put up that I got today, but you guys will be finding out about that soon. I have a really fun video coming up. Out here on my back patio, I need to clean up. It's just a few drinks and then fluff the pillows and put up the towels. So I just need to clean up here real fast. So let's get started.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do.
Okay, it's in no way perfect, but everything got picked up and tidied up. So now we're gonna head inside.
Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to do, what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone.
Okay, I got everything put away in its home and that already feels so much better. It already looks so much better. But like I said, there were a lot of people in here. There was a lot of hands, so I like to just go ahead and wipe everything down. So I'm gonna start in my kitchen, go through my dining room and end up in my living room, just using all of like my Jaws or Indust or Dollar Tree products, whatever it is that I choose to use today, just to get this whole house kind of like germ free and clean.
Anything that brings us down. shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to do, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out, louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out, louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. We're beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out, louder.
Okay, everything is looking so much better. I've got a rag over there I need to throw in my laundry room. But all the countertops, everything's wiped down. Now it's time to focus on the floor. I know I always say this, but they just get the worst. I don't know if you guys can even tell on camera, but they are terrible. So let's get to working on these.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. 'Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now.
Okay, I'm getting so hot and sweaty, but I'm trying to kind of clean the house quickly because Chase should be calling anytime, letting me know he's on his way home from work. I'm gonna grab my e-cloth mop and work on my floors. I'm not even gonna talk about it because I know you guys hear about it all the time, so I'm just gonna use it and get these floors clean.
I don't wanna be dragged in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my way.
I just want to say thank you so much again for each and every one of you that like truly love and support and just appreciate me. Your comments do not go unnoticed. I literally had zero motivation to film a Friday video. I was totally gonna take it off, but I learned quickly I was not gonna keep up with all the comments today on Wednesday's video. I am trying so hard. I'm still gonna go on and answer as many as I can, but I think I could sit down and answer comments all night and I would never get caught up on them, and that just goes to show how much you guys like truly love and care for me. So thank you so much. This video is for you guys. I thought it would be fun to have like a surprise cleaning video on Friday because I never do that. So that is for each and every one of you guys. Truly, thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new because I have a really cool and fun and exciting video coming out this Sunday that you don't want to miss. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I'm on my way now.